Hey guys, so remember that video that I made the most annoying sound in the world? Well, this is the most annoying sound in the world part. Well, this is the sequel. Just turn it down a bit. Expect me to do this expect me to do this 3 more times.